Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix this version of Vanguard requires Secure Boot in Valorant. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, completely shut down your computer by pressing the power button on your computer. Once it's powered off, turn it back on and immediately press the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. If F2 doesn't work, try pressing Delete F10 or F12 depending on your motherboard or laptop manufacturer. After entering the BIOS, switch to Advanced mode if necessary. Simply click on this More Settings option to open this menu. Here, go to the Fast Boot settings and make sure Fast Boot is disabled. Then, open the Security tab from the left side and look for the Secure Boot option. If it's available, set Secure Boot to Enabled. If the Secure Boot option is grayed out, check whether an administrator password is set in the BIOS. Simply scroll up until you see the administration password and user password fields. Here, you can choose which type of password you want to configure. In this example, I will select the administration password. Next, enter a strong password for the administrator account and confirm it if prompted. This password will be used to access the administrator settings and manage your system or application. After you have set the password, go back to the Secure Boot option. This time, the Secure Boot setting should no longer be grayed out, and you should be able to access and modify it. If the Secure Boot option is still grayed out, look toward the bottom of the Secure Boot menu. You should see an option called Reset Setup Mode. Select it to install the default Secure Boot keys. After the reset is complete, check the Secure Boot option again. It should now be accessible, allowing you to enable or configure it as needed. After making these changes, go to the Exit tab, and then select Exit Saving Changes option and allow your computer to restart. Once Windows loads, launch Valorant again and check if the Vanguard Secure Boot error has been resolved. And that's it! So that's basically how you can fix this version of Vanguard requires Secure Boot in Valorant. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.